Today in this video I am going to talk about conflicts and conflicts management. According to Oxford Dictionary, conflict means serious disagreement, whereas psychologists define conflict to be a state of opposition, disagreement between two or more people or groups of people. I've seen so many conflicts in my projects among different team members, but when I studied its root causes, I came to the conclusion that both team members or group were trying to bring some improvement according to their experience and understanding mostly. Traditional managers avoid and ignore conflicts. Such thinking is extremely dangerous if we do not address it well on time and according to the needs of the project. Conflicts are vital for the project success because conflicts give you opportunity to think out of box. So the question is, what should we do? And my answer is, we should manage conflicts. Conflict management is the process of eliminating the negativity and enhancing the functionality by listening to both parties. Conflict management comes under the interpersonal skills of the project manager. If project manager has no knowledge to deal with conflicts, the project will run under total chaos and will detract the project very badly. That's why you need to understand conflict management. So let's start to learn conflict management. Always remember, effective teams don't ignore the conflicts, they manage it. To manage the conflicts, as a project manager, you should have complete understanding of the root cause of the conflict to address it and take the benefits from it. To manage the conflicts, I would suggest the following. Step 1. How will you deal with conflicts? As a project manager, you should love to deal conflicts like a judge do. For instance, how does the conflict make you feel? Does it make you happy or worried? So you should do the following. Number 1. Find what's conflict about. Here is your job to understand the total case and try to understand it properly. Number 2. Ask your team members to write their own perspective or point of view. Step 2. Find out either the conflict is good or bad by compiling the document comprising the following questions. Number 2. Number 1. Is this conflict helping the team to take better decision? Number 2. Will this conflict help the team to achieve project goals more effectively? And number 3. Will this conflict enhance the team trust? Step 3. To answer the questions, a project manager can schedule a meeting to discuss the agenda items where all participants should come well prepared to explain their point of view under the following rules. Number 1. All participants will explain their point of view. Number 2. Team members must give respect to other point of view. No interruption. Number 3. No personal goals will be entertained. And number 4. Team members should show respect to others with their body language. As a project manager, you must learn that conflicts occur due to style differences, lack of trust, individual or team goals, and change. Always remember, the trust issue arises when one team member feels about other that this person incapable of fulfilling the project requirements, and due to him or her incapability my work will be affected. According to PMI, they have 5 principles to manage conflicts. Number 1 is collaborative or problem solving. We are incorporating multiple viewpoints and insights from differing perspectives. Require a cooperative attitude and open dialogue that typically leads to consensus and commitment. Second point is compromise and reconcile. In compromise, we search for solutions that bring some degree of satisfaction to all parties in order to temporarily or partially resolve the conflict. Number 3, withdraw or avoid. Retreating from an actual or potential conflict situation, postponing the issue to be better prepared order to resolve by others. Number 4, smooth accommodate, emphasizing areas of agreement rather than areas of differences, conceding one's position to the needs of other to maintain harmony and relationship. And last is force or direct, pushing one's viewpoint at the expense of others, offering only win-lose situation, usually enforced through a power position to resolve an emergency by the project manager. I am sure you have enjoyed the video. Please do not forget click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.